On the basis of the factors responsible for soil formation, color, thickness, texture, age, chemical and physical properties, the soils of India are classified into different types, such as the alluvial soil. Let's see what are the properties of alluvial soil. The entire northern plains are made up of alluvial soil in India. The alluvial soil is deposited by three important Himalayan river systems, the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. It is also found in Rajasthan, Gujarat and eastern coastal plains, particularly in the deltas of Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna and the Kaveri rivers. The alluvial soil consists of various particles like sand, silt and clay. They are in different proportions. As we move inlands towards the river valleys, soil particles appear to be bigger in size, whereas in the upper side of the river valley, these soils are coarse in nature. The alluvial soil is based on age. Alluvial soils can be classified as the old alluvial soil, which is also called as Bangar, the new alluvial soil, which is called as Khadar. What is Bangar soil? The Bangar soil has a higher concentration of conker nodules than the Khadar, whereas in the Khadar alluvial soil, it has more finer particles and is more fertile in the regions which they are available in. Alluvial soils are very fertile in nature. These soils contain an adequate proportion of potash, phosphoric acid and lime. They are ideal for the growth of sugarcane, paddy, wheat and other cereals and pulse crops. We will now move on to understand what is the second category of soils in India. They are called as the black soil. The black soil is of course black in color and is also called as the regor soil. Climatic conditions along with the parent rock material are the most important factors for the formation of black soil. The soil is ideal for growth of cotton and is also known as black cotton soil. The black soil is typical of the Deccan Trap region, spread over the northwest Deccan Plateau and is made up of lava flows. The soil covers the plateaus of Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. It extends in the southeast direction along the Godavari and the Krishna valleys. The black soils are made up of extremely fine, that is clay material and well known for their capacity to hold moisture. Black soil is nutrient rich in contains calcium carbonate, magnesium, potassium and lime. This soil is sticky when wet and difficult to work on unless tilled immediately after the first shower or during the pre-monsoon period. The next soil in our line is red and yellow soils. They develop on crystalline igneous rocks in areas of low rainfall in the eastern and southern parts of the Deccan Plateau. These soils develop a reddish color due to diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rocks. It looks yellow when it occurs in a hydrated form. They are found in the parts of Orissa, Chhattisgarh, southern parts of the middle Ganga plain and along the Piedmont zone of the western Ghats. Now let's understand what is laterite soil. Laterite soil develops under tropical and subtropical climate with the alternate wet and dry season. This soil is the result of intense leaching due to heavy rain. Laterite soils are acidic in nature, generally deficient in plant nutrients. This type of soil is mostly found in the southern states, western Ghats, regions of Maharashtra, Orissa and some parts of West Bengal and northeastern regions. This soil supports deciduous and evergreen forest and it is poor in its humus content. This soil is very useful, however, in the growing of tea and coffee. That states the reason why Assam is popularly known for the cultivation of tea. The next category of soil is arid soils. Arid soils range from red to brown in color. This soil is generally sandy in texture and saline in nature. In some areas, the salt content is very high and common salt is obtained by evaporating the water. Arid soil lacks humus and moisture. The lower horizon of the soil are occupied by conker because of the increasing calcium content downwards. The conker layer formation in the bottom horizons restrict the infiltration of water. However, by irrigating these soils, it can be made cultivable. The next category is forest soil. These soils are found in the hilly and mountainous areas. The soil texture is loamy and silty in valley sides and coarse-grained in the upper slopes. In the snow-covered areas of Himalayas, these soils experience denudation and are acidic with low humus content. The soil is fertile on the river terraces and alluvial fans.